here at the Tax Slayer Center in panel room number 3 on Friday, June 22nd between 4:30 and 5:30. Speaker Pappy from Pappy's Corner is a panel guest for Planet Funk Con. With season 5 underway, the Corner brings a plethora of subject matter from a self-proclaimed chief buffoon and founder of buffoonism. Here he is, Pappy from Pappy's Corner.
So good with what you have to deal with, you know. So you start getting better equipment like I use this camera. A lot better cameras and things I could be using and editing software. I miss the buffoonism. It's so much fun, you know, to dress up. I actually, you know, I had tattoos all over me one day and a bandana, you know, did a commercial for myself, that kind of thing. I put on a cowboy hat and a little sling tie, you know, and I do a commercial for Pappy's Corner. So buffoonism, that's kind of what it's all about, is dressing up and acting like somebody else, and you're really oblivious to how stupid you are, you know. So that's what being a buffoon is. First year or two, I was telling these guys I gave out certificates for my charter members, and I have dubbed myself Chief Buffoon, Master Buffoon, you know. So, self-proclaimed. It's a lot of fun. It's really a lot of fun.
Good. Sorry to disturb.
No, I can't talk about anything you want. You guys got any questions? Just ask me, because I'm rambling on and then I'll forget what I'm talking about. We'll just take it as we go. I have no script here, plans. I'm not saying anything in particular. Just kind of want to. I'm glad you guys came, and you know, I've got a couple of people here to talk to instead of staring at a bunch of chairs. Because I am a nobody. Nobody really knows me per se, even though I've got 1,000 subscribers. Out in YouTube land, you know, there's people all over the world, right? So what I found out is some of the channels that I subscribe to, there are little cliques you get into with people, you know, and you're all helping each other, commenting and sharing things. I actually have, if you guys want to go subscribe to my channel, I'm giving, called the 4th of July Blowout Giveaway. You can go in to my video, my blowout video, and you can say, I want in, and you're in. And the 4th of July, I've got nobody else knows this, but you guys know, a little secret here. I have a bingo machine, you know, right? It's a bingo balls. And I did a video a while back on drawing numbers for the lottery using my bingo machine. But that's how I'm going to draw the winners. Everybody that wants in, I'm going to give them a number and then throw the balls into this thing, and I'm going to draw them with my little bingo machine. So I have, I quit smoking a couple of months ago. And I had a real nice vape system going. Okay, I was vaping there for a while. And so that is my #1 prize I'm giving out. It's not too many people, I think there's only 2 people that have asked for that prize. It's a $150 value. The second prize is a t-shirt. I call it a T with a P. So it's that's my little Pappy's emblem on a t-shirt. So I have that. And then I have hats, like Dylan has on. And I have coffee mugs. Koozie, you seen the koozie? You guys got a koozie, right? And I'll be probably giving away, you know, a dozen koozies, a couple, 3 hats, and some coffee cups on that blowout. I call them the 4th of July blowout giveaway. You know, so I have learned so much, my opinion. Instead of being that nasty old fart. I'm a happy guy now. Wishing everybody well. You know. And they're short and sweet. I was telling these guys 2 or 3 minutes long. You know. I don't like to sit and watch a video for a half hour of somebody fumbling around. I made a comment on one of my videos. I do these stickers. I'll give you guys a sticker. And I just started doing those. And I sat and watched a guy spend 5 minutes opening an envelope from a sticker he got in the mail. You know, I mean, come on. So when I brought up my sticker board, I got my first 6 stickers on my board a couple weeks ago. And I told everybody, I says, I'm not going to sit here and waste your time and have you fall asleep watching my video while I'm opening an envelope. I've got them all open, ready to go. Let's get them going, right? Bangity bang. So I'm all about, you know, keeping content moving. I don't know how people can sit for a half hour and watch somebody open an envelope and go over and peel the stuff off the back, stick it on the wall. It's like, you know what's going to happen, right? This is so boring. Oh well, I just try to keep something moving at all times. And you can tell by my editing, you know, that I don't let a lot of time just click by with me trying to do something. And that's where I've done projects that take 2-3 hours to do, and you'll see it in 3 minutes. You know, like I started doing cooking videos. I went out and bought a microphone so I can do voiceover, so I can videotape all this stuff, me cooking, without doing a whole bunch of takes. Because you know, if you fumble in your words, it's like, oh, geez, I got to do another take. Well, by doing voiceover with my own microphone, I can just edit the video, turn off the volume, and then bring my mic in and just start talking over my videos when I'm recording and tell you what's going on. Real slick. I'm glad I found that.
That's actually really clever.
Yeah, so you find out little tricks that help you get the content out there and not work so hard to do it. The quality is what I'm talking. My content will be better.
So you think you're going to probably slide more into like the genial grandpa helping you out kind of.
Yeah, that's kind of
that kind of niche, instead of being like the, you know, I mean, everybody's got that hard ass uncle or grand or dad or something.
Yeah.
You know, or,
I started out wanting to be. Have you guys ever heard of Red Green?
yeah.
Pappy is Member of the Month on Red Green TV.
I started out kind of wanting to. He's my mentor, really.
And here's Red Green and Pappy.
I've got a duct tape hat and I've got his autograph on it.
And here's my autographed fedora.
Everything, you know. I like to share his posts. Such a funny guy. I've been to a couple of his shows down at the Adler.
Thank you for watching Pappy as a panel guest at Planet Funk Con.